What's the difference between Arduino and Raspberry Pi? Both are popular devices to kickstart your engineering project, but they serve different purposes. Arduino is an open-source electronics platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software. Raspberry Pi is more of a mini computer. It can run an operating system and handle complex tasks. The Uno R4 Wi-Fi features the RA4M1 microprocessor and the ESP32S3 with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It has multiple I/O pins for analog and digital signals, as well as PWM outputs. This makes it ideal for tasks like controlling motors, reading sensors, or dimming LEDs. Raspberry Pi is built using the RP1 I/O controller and features a Broadcom 2.4 GHz quad, Core 64-bit ARM Cortex CPU. It includes USB 3.0 for fast data transfer and Ethernet for networking. The GPIO pins support digital signals and PWM. Plus, with PCI Express, you can add AI accelerator cards for even more power. Arduino uses the Arduino IDE and programs in C and C++. Raspberry Pi runs a full operating system, and you can code in multiple languages. Everything has its advantages. It all depends on what you need for your project.